Welcome to our friendly guide on using Synthesia to create your own videos and avatar. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics, ensuring you feel confident and excited about starting your journey with Synthesia. If you're new to Synthesia or video creation in general, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create stunning AI-generated videos in just minutes. Let's get started. Creating an account. To begin, simply sign up for a Synthesia account using the link in description. The process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to dive into the creative world of avatar creation without any hassle or delay. Press Get Started for free, then you can choose to try for free or pick a plan. If you pick free, there are some limits on what you can do, but it's a great way to test out the basic features. Press the link in the description of this video to get you started on your Synthesia journey. Exploring the dashboard. Welcome to your dashboard. This is your control center where you can create videos, manage projects, and access a wide variety of avatars. On the left, you'll see the main menu. The most important button for us right now is the Create New Video button. Let's click that to begin. Now we're in the video creation section. You have two main options. You can either start from scratch or choose from a template. Templates are pre-designed, making it easy for beginners to get started. Let's select a template for this tutorial. Once you've chosen your template, you'll see the workspace where you can edit text, change avatars, and adjust the background. In the text box here, you'll enter the script for your video. The AI will use this text to create speech for your avatar. For this tutorial, let's enter a short script. Welcome to our AI video creation tutorial. Customizing your avatar. Next, let's talk about avatars. Synthesia offers a range of pre-made avatars that speak your text in multiple languages and accents. You can browse avatars by clicking the Avatars tab. However, you can also create a personalized avatar, yes, one that looks and sounds like you. To create your own avatar, click on Create Avatar. You'll need to upload a video of yourself speaking. Make sure the lighting is good and you're clearly visible in the video. Synthesia will analyze this video and create a custom avatar that mimics your voice and appearance. This feature is only available on a paid plan. So let's go ahead and pick an avatar. The list shows all avatars, so if you choose one that is only for paid plans, it will prompt you to upgrade. So we are going to go ahead and choose this one, and you can see it has transferred to the video. We will right-click on the one we don't want and delete. You can change the size by dragging the corners until it's how you want it. In the right column, there's also the option to change the avatar to a circle like me. There you go, you have the start of a script and an avatar. Media and settings. Now that you've got your text and avatar set up, you can adjust the video's settings. You can change the voice speed, add background music, or even upload images to complement your video. To do this, click on the tabs above or to the right. I'm going to change the background, so I will click the tab at the top and select Media and choose another background. As you can see, it's now on my template. Don't be afraid to experiment with this. If you change your mind, you can use the undo arrow at the top, like so or right. Click the image and select Delete. Everything on these templates can be edited, including colors and fonts. Before finalizing your video, it's important to preview it. Click the preview button to see how everything comes together. This is located on the top right, the play symbol. If you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and click Generate. This will take a few minutes, but once it's done, you'll have a polished AI-generated video ready to share. Once the video is generated, you can download it in various formats or share it directly on social media or your website. Synthesia makes it super easy to share your creations. And that's it! You've now learned how to create videos and personalized avatars using Synthesia. Your Synthesia link is below in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more AI and video creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.